Hello, office managers, brokers, and owners. My name is Deborah, and I'm the owner of Real Estate Services, Roofing, and General Construction since 2007. In 2014, I installed this great composite synthetic roofing tile called Brava. I'd like to come and share that with your agents because it's becoming really popular. Actually, Disney World and Disneyland installed it in 2005, and they're our longest running customer. It's much more aesthetically and architecturally pleasing than your traditional roofs out there. Best thing ever, it's got a 50-year warranty. It's got the highest class in fire and hail impact on the market. They have the patent for the color going all the way through and also for the color blend. So you can get it in any color. There's a 30%, up to 30% savings on insurance because this is a green product, and tax credits are also available. Would love to come and share this with your agents and let them know about this product. So should they have a need, they'll have really knowledge about it. And it's such a great product. I think you'll really enjoy it too. Thank you.